Hello friends, in this video I will show how to insert book symbol in Microsoft Word. So insert then symbol, click here more symbols and find out this font from this list. Subset, so select this extended characters. Now guys, access this book symbol using this character code 1F56E. You can use this shortcut key 1F56E following by Alt plus X. If you see this type of, so select and format. So we have this then select so this way we can insert this symbol box symbol in Word. You can use this shortcut 1F56E. So type it 1F56E. Then select it and press Alt plus X. That's it. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.